and welcome to the Math League YouTube channel. The following video was recorded by one of our staff members live at one of our contests.
I'm Brad, and I'm an intern at Math League, and I'm going to talk about Sprint 19. So, how this is going to work, right? Is we currently have a sequence a sub n as a sub 1 is 2, and a sub n is 2 to the power of the previous term for everything else, right? And so we want to find some positive integer k, right, where the number when divided by 17 is equal to has a remainder of 1. Right. So for example, like a1 would just be equal to 2 mod 17, right? It has a remainder of 2 when divided by 17, and that's just basically how it goes. So now basically, like, how do we do this, right? Well, if we're just trying to find something divided by 17, I'm pretty sure you've seen a lot of these problems before, right? Like specifically ones of the types where like find the units digit of 7 to the power of 41, for example, right? And these were kind of, you had a set strategy to do them, right? Well, one thing you can know is that like 7 to the power of 4 has a units digit of 1, right? So then you can just do like, oh, we can just divide 41 by 4 and take the remainder. And so this has the same units digit as 7 to the first, right? And so this is basically what you can do here as well, right? You can say, well, if you're just taking 2 to the power of something, right? You're multiplying 2 by itself over and over. So if you don't know where to start, you can always just do that, right? You can find where the pattern repeats. So you can multiply by 2, right? You have 2, 4, 8, 16. And then after you do that, what you get like 32, right? The remainder of that is 15. Multiply that by 2. 2 times 15 is 30. Remainder is 13. Do that again. Remainder is 9. Remainder after that is 1. So you have now that 2 to the 8th is just 1. Mod 17, right? So it basically repeats every 8. Now we just need to like cook up a couple of examples, right? So we have a1 is equal to 2. a2, what is that? That's just 2 squared, right? So that's 4. a3, what is that? 2 to the 4th is 16. And now a4, right? Next term is 2 to the power of 16, but that's just 8. That's just doing 8 twice, right? And we already know what 2 to the 8th is, right? 2 to the 8th is just 1, just as we've seen here, right? Through a repeating pattern. So then a4 is just basically 1 mod 17. And you can tell that for anything past that, right? a5 is equal to 2 to the power of a4, right? But a4, first of all, is a power of 2 that's greater than 8. So you know that no matter what, right? This is going to be 2 to the power of 8 times something, right? And so with this, this is also equal to 1. And so basically now find the least possible value of k. Well, this is not 1, right? This is not 1. a3 isn't 1, but a4 is 1. So the correct answer for this problem is 4.
Hi everybody, this is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do: like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.